Listen, you don't understand. I still have unfinished business in France.
Sir, others can wrap that up. We need you elsewhere, and we need you there now.
Where? Germany? I thought we were...
Not Germany, Colonel. We want you to go to Russia.
Russia? Now we're invading them?
Not an invasion, sir. Reconnaissance.
We're sending you to Norway, where you'll take command of Task Force Raven. Your mission is to infiltrate the Soviet border and retrieve intelligence from a downed aircraft.
What about my men?
You'll bring your officers with you and liaison with the Norwegian Rangers when you arrive.
I have some doubts about one of my captains.
There are no replacements to be had, Colonel. We're losing officers every day just holding the Russians at bay in Germany.
All right, I'll make do. When do we leave?
We're arranging a flight now. Godspeed, Colonel.
Bannon was never officially reprimanded for the death of Commandant Sabatier. Instead, the colonel took him aside just before we boarded the plane to Norway. Bannon seemed chastened when they returned, but it was hard to say whether the colonel's words had any lasting effect. Our mission was top secret. We got our briefing when we arrived in Kirkenes in Norway. We were going to be dropped near Murmansk inside the Soviet Union, where we were to locate a crashed prototype stealth bomber. It supposedly carried some sensitive information, so it was imperative that we reach the crash site before the Russians did. Several teams of Norwegian Rangers would be assisting us. Their commander, Major Johansen, was a hard-set man who'd already led 4 missions across the Soviet border. He didn't talk much, but his competence was clear, and we all felt good having him as a guide in that cold and hostile country.
Parker, the crash site should be nearby. Lead the Rangers to the objective and eliminate any opposition you encounter.
Yes, Lieutenant! Squad!
Those Rangers are all we have until reinforcements can be brought in. Don't take any unnecessary risks.
This is Delta 6. There's a large enemy response force at an army base 25 clicks away. They're not yet alerted to our presence, but that could happen at any moment.
Let's be quick, people.
The enemy will know that we're here. Enemy down. Attack the enemy. Target destroyed. Moving out right now. Start running. Let's move out, Rangers! Pick your target.
Enemy contact. Deal with them, Parker. And don't forget that your Rangers can call in fire support.
Tapping the enemy. Speed up the march. We defeated that enemy. Attack! Yes, Lieutenant! Squad moving! On the double. Get moving! Coordinates sent. Target pinpointed. Artillery. Commence artillery strike. Pinpointed. Commence artillery fire. Target pinpointed. Commence artillery strike. Where do you need us? Let's move out, Rangers! Coordinates sent. Going. Fire the barrage. On the double. Get moving. Get to the position. Affirmative. Start running. We're taking out that target now.
All right, we have control of the crash site. Now we need to hold it until the engineers have done their job. Parker, Russian AA units have been positioned near the crash site. They must be destroyed before we can start flying in the engineers and reinforcements.
Moving out right now. Get to the double pace march. Let's move out, Rangers! On the double. Yes, Lieutenant. Start right. Get to the position, Rangers. Move. Lieutenant, marching up. Let's move out, Rangers. Target pinpointed. Quickly. Commence artillery strike. We need artillery double now. Tapping the enemy. Hostile infantry defeated. Enemy defeated, Commander.
One more to go, then I'll bring in the birds.
Rangers, get to the position. Speed it up, people. Fire at will. We've got the hostile. On the double, get moving. We've got the hostile. Aim and fire. We defeated that enemy. That target is our objective. Lieutenant, marching. Double pace march. Yes, Lieutenant. Squad moving. The enemy will know that we are here. Target the hostiles. We disable that enemy. Target killed. Enemy get moving, but don't stop. Go! Run faster! Heading out. Coordinates sent. Fire the barrage. Coordinate moving. Move. Marching. On the double. Get moving. We're ready for
The area is clear and reinforcements are on the way. Bannon, as soon as you arrive, I want you to take up positions to the north. Your tanks will be needed on the open ground there.
Yes, sir. They won't get past us.
They better not. As soon as the engineers have landed, they'll start retrieving the film we came here for. Then they'll destroy what's left of the aircraft. Everyone stay alert. Eagle 6 out.
Yes, Lieutenant. We're fit for fight. Moving out right now. Give us your orders, Lieutenant. Rangers, moving out, start running. Where do you...
Parker, that power plant is an excellent strategic target. Try to take it out with a small strike team.
Roll out. And heading. Us driving.
We're Lieutenant, marching out. Yes, Lieutenant. Squad moving. Speed up. On the double. Get moving. Rangers, move. Get to the post. Start running. Lieutenant, marching out.
Eagle 6, this is Bannon. We're being hit by Soviet attack helicopters. Over!
Parker, Bannon lacks air defense assets. Assist him if you can. Eagle 6 out.
Yes, Commander. Us move.
Rangers here. Where do you need us?
3 more minutes, Parker.
Moving out right now. Give us get to the front. Double pace march.
Support available. Target
come on,
sighted.
bring the
Fire.
fire.
The Legion has just saved. Returning to base. Warm
Engage. We took out that vehicle.
Targets neutralized, Commandant. Support is on the way.
They've got one of your units.
This is a hot situation. Orders. Orders. Quickly. Target we need artillery immediately. Fire at the coordinates we provided.
Unit
We
lost.
need artillery now. What do you Let's move it. Speed it up. Let's move it.
We're ready,
destroyed.
driving to the position.
Enemy defeated. Commander.
The
Target.
lights are going out all over the province, Parker. That should mess things up for Ivan. Well done.
Parker, I need help over here, damn it! What's taking you?
Affirmative. Airborne is on the way. Out.
Target vehicle destroyed.
Meters are code. No target in the area. Over.
Hostile destroyed.
We're heading for the course.
Disable that enemy.
We can't the target. Armored transports engaging.
That took you long enough, Parker. Glad you could spare some of your precious time to help out.
Woman here. Airborne infantry delivered as requested. We took out the target.
The enemy's attacking.
We took out the target.
Squad reporting in. Get to the position
The
quickly.
engineers say they'll be finished within 1 minute.
Target neutralized. We're being engaged here. Returning fire. Target killed.
Hostile destroyed.
Jegerkommandoen er kampklare. Lieutenant, start running. This is a hot situation. Orders?
The engineers have retrieved the camera and its film and prepped the wreck for demolition. Good job, everyone. Stand clear of the blast.
Enemy defeated, Commander. We disabled that enemy. Moving out right now.
We are moving. Commencing repairs.
Eagle 6, this is Delta 6. My scouts tell me your pilots have been captured by the Russians but are still in the area, waiting to be transported out by train. I also got word that the Russian response force has been alerted. It will be here soon.
Roger that, but we're not leaving here without those pilots. Head out for the train station.
Ranger, yes, move. Affirmative.
I'm calling in a napalm strike to burn a path through the forest. Stay clear, then move quickly. We need to be out of the area before the response force gets here.
We're ready for This is our We're ready for combat, Lieutenant. Embark on the transport. Where do you need us? Last man's aboard. This is our lift. We're ready for action. That's our transport. Yes, Lieutenant. We're fit. Get aboard.
All right, Parker, you're in charge of the search party. Bannon, you stay behind and keep the crash site secure. It will be our rally point until we found the pilots.
But sir,
No goddamn buts, Captain. You have your orders.
Yes, sir. Bannon out.
That is everyone, Commandant. Transport is full. Let's drive.
The warrior's ready. Suck, move. Driving to rolling out. Airstrike accomplished. Casualties confirmed. Shadow out. Driving the warrior. We're rolling now. Hostile spotted. We've got a lock. Enemy spotted. Attacking.
Get depart. Target those ground forces. Target and engage. They killed an enemy. Heavy fire to ground.
Use armor piercing. Fire at the target. Hostile destroyed.
Troops, we on them. Start the
We need a
repair.
command.
Yes, Lieutenant. We're fit for embark on the transport. Embark on the transport. Is full. Let's drive. We're ready. Embark on the transport. Transport is full. Let's drive.
Javel, moving. We are moving. Javel, yes, move. Move, truck.
We took out the target.
We're on the move.
Target killed. We disabled that enemy. Heading out. Double pace march.
Need an APC somewhere.
Need some. We will get commencing. We will get him in shape. Our big commencing. Repair. We will get him in shape.
Cognac inbound with napalm. Clear the strike zone. Out.
Javel, we on our way.
Give us your attack the target. Ready for action. Ranger.
We took down that.
The enemy got caught in a napalm. Returning to base.
We're ready. Driving immediately.
Orders. Go for it. Move.
Need some troops? Yes. We on move. We are moving. Javel, yes. Heading to the position, Commodore.
Armor here, come on. Fire AP rounds at the
Just
target.
give us some more AP ammo ready. Javel,
Hostile
affirmative.
destroyed.
Go.
We need a destination received. Moving
We are on
out.
it. Lower the gun and fire. Where's the depart?
Great going, lad. Keep it up. Can we do something for you? Contact! Attack that target! Affirmative. The Legion will drop in at the coordinates. Walnut out.
Needing them. Yes, move. We're rolling. Yes. Moving. Yes,
We took out the target.
just give us some more pushing. Yes.
No activity at the train station.
We're taking heavy fire here. Use AP. Take out that.
Delta 6 here. The pilots have been spotted near the apartment complex.
You heard him, Parker. Move on and search those apartment buildings, and fast.
Delta 6 here. The response force is not far out now. We're going to have to extract soon.
He's right, Parker. Secure the area while Johannesson's people search the buildings.
We're driving now.
Make sure you hold that train station, Parker. As long as you do, we can drop reinforcements there.
Shadow here. The airstrike is on the way. Over.
Troop trains pushing, fixing the problem. We will get him in shape.
Driving to the position. Moving.
We're affirmative.
Rangers here, heading out. Squad heading out.
Cluster bomb hit right on. Shadow out.
Jäger, Lieutenant, marching out.
Need some train. We are moving, fixing the problems right now. What should we do? Engaging with AP now. Repair him quickly.
We should move to one and engaging.
We took down that enemy.
This is Walnut. Airborne requested. We're on the way.
Need a troop transport commencing repairs. Troop transport available. We on our way. Pushing the pedal. We are moving. Driving. Coordinators, we on our way. Javel, pushing the pedal.
Loading AP rounds.
Woman here, driving to the perimeter, taking out the hostile. Yes. Chasing the target with MG fire.
Entering building now.
Defending the aiming to gun at ground target, engaging.
Incoming
Javel,
fire.
taking out the
Disable
hostile.
that enemy. Enemy defeated, Commander.
Armored transport
Rangers under attack.
Walnut here. We're bringing in some special forces for you.
Hostile destroyed. We're being engaged. Short burst only.
They are attacking us!
Enemy neutralized. Hostile destroyed.
Try repair him quickly. Give us some more. Patch up that guy. Fixing the problems right now. Commencing repairs. Need a troop transport. Fixing the problems right now.
Where do you need
Legion
us?
paratroopers are here to cause some havoc.
For help, we're engaged.
First sweep completed. No signs of the pilots.
Troop transport reporting in.
One building searched. Move on.
Fixing the problems commencing right now. Repairs. Troop transport. Driving? Yes, yes.
Incoming fire! Kill that infantry.
We're ready for action. Let's move it.
Entering building.
Jägerkommando under fire. We disable that enemy.
Javel, we will get him in shape.
Rangers, get to the setup in that building. Double pace march. Give us your orders, Lieutenant. Target infantry destroyed. Jägerkommando, my commander.
They've got one of your
artillery
units.
and Rangers under attack. Rangers under... Incoming fire! Get down! Jägerets, securing the building, Commander.
APC here. We've got a lock. Fire!
Hier, wir fangen so
second building searched. We need to do this faster.
Just moving now. We are moving.
We're fighting. Speed it up, people. Move into that building. Rangers under attack.
Enemy neutralized.
Troops, we are on the move.
Rangers under fire.
Heading for the coordinates. Weapons are hot. Goes down. This is Morgan. Airborne requested. We're on the way.
Rangers under attack. We're ready for action. We killed that soldier. Rangers here. Where do you need us?
Armor's combat ready. Mission coordinates received. Commencing the attack run. Shadow out.
Eagle 6, we found them. I repeat, we found them. Let's get these men home.
The pilots have been located and they're shaken but alive. I knew I could count on you, Parker.
This is Delta 6. The Soviet response force has deployed outside of the city. We count at least 3 companies worth of tanks and APCs.
Damn it. They move faster than expected. Parker, you retreat with the pilots. We can't afford to get locked down in a fight with a superior force.
Bannon here. I could take my company and hit the Russians in the flank.
That actually might delay them, Bannon. Do it.
Hell yeah, sir. Full speed ahead. Move into wedge formation and shoot everything that moves.
Rangers under attack. Enemy defeated.
Captain, I have movement at 12 o'clock. Looks like light infantry.
Coax.
Coax up.
All Bravo elements engage infantry at 12 o'clock.
Sir, something's not right.
Didn't you hear me, Corporal? Fire!
On the way.
Cease fire! Cease fire!
Oh my God.
Why did they advance like that? How are we supposed to know?
I've been trying to reach you. What the hell happened here?
Sir, we just...
You just what, you idiot? Did you kill these people?
Well, I thought they were attacking and...
With what? With broomsticks? Take a good look at your handiwork, Captain. We'll discuss this later.
Parker, your extraction route is blocked by the Russians. You're going to have to fight your way out before the response force catches up with you. And good job holding the train station, Lieutenant. That LZ will be put to good use.
We're
Took
engaged.
out the target.
Troop transport available. Fixing the problems right now.
Captain Bannon, come in. You need to get back on the horse and hit Ivan in the flank as planned. Parker needs all the help he can get.
In shape.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to explain...
Fixing the problems right now.
Later, Bannon. I won't forget what you did, but right now we have a battle to win.
We are on our way.
I've got a payload of cluster bombs and I'm on the way. Out. On the way to engage hostile flyers.
Hostile heli shot out of the sky. Troop driving out now. Target that quickly. Drive.
Hostiles must have left the area. No missiles fire. Over. Bullseye on the hostile.
Drive.
Cluster bomb is
Driving.
right on. Shadow out. Next time. Where do you want the armor transport? Get the armor piercing.
Vehicle reporting in. They are engaging with armor piercing now. Transport here. What now? We're engaged. Take out the target. Target defeated.
Rangers heading out. Marching. Start to run. We're ready. Lieutenant, marching out. On the double. Get Rangers moving. Rangers marching. Start running. Yes, Lieutenant. Lieutenant, marching out. Run.
Need it, Jawohl. We will drive now. We are on our way.
Some anti. Yes, Commandant. We are driving.
Big, that drive. Need some transport. We are commencing repairs. We will get him in shape. Fixing the problems right now.
Down. Squad reporting in. Yes, Lieutenant. Get to the position, people. We're ready for combat, Lieutenant. Heading out. Move. Affirmative. Start running. Jegerkommandoen er kampklare. Yes, Lieutenant. Speed up the march. Rangers here. Where do you need us? Lieutenant, start running.
Jawohl. Troop transport here.
The route is clear. Extract to the south. That film we retrieved has revealed some very interesting intelligence, and we have a new mission up by the coast. Everyone rally at grid 7-3 for debrief. Eagle 6 out.